Can you hear Star Trek playing in the background? Because it's playing really loud in the loft. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a review on the Green Clean Farmacy makeup melts away cleansing balm. A clean product, that's what it says on the Sephora website, and this retails for $22. It's 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounces. When you unscrew it, it has like a little lid. It smells good. It's green. It's supposed to melt away your makeup. Now, I've tried the It Cosmetics makeup melting away one. At the time when I worked at Sephora, I would actually use that to take off the makeup on the back of my hand. And I also tried the Clinique makeup remover, the melt away one as well. Those are brilliant products, don't get me wrong, but the thing is, I personally have to wear, waterproof mascara, and because if not, my lashes just go straight, and it's not a look for me. Some people could totally rock it. It's not my style. So I need to wear waterproof mascara so my lashes stay curled and lifted and all that jazz. So I noticed that the Clinique melt away cleansing balm and the It Cosmetics, I don't believe it took it off. I can't remember the It Cosmetics, but I know the Clinique one did not take it off. The directions say that I need to gently massage onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eye. Apply to a closed eye. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp cloth. I think I need to go like over the sink and like wipe it off with the warm water, because I feel like with a warm wipe, like a damp cloth isn't my jazz personally, and I can't just do it over like my desk and it'll just make a mess everywhere. I know it's for the video, but I need to do it over a sink. That's how I can give you like my full honest opinion, because if I do it by a washcloth, it's not gonna, I feel like it's not gonna do anything for me. I'm taking off my eyelashes. So this says apply onto dry skin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this like, so it's green. Oh, it's not, well, it's kind of thick. So I'm gonna get some for my face. About that much. Rub it together. I'm impressed. This took off that lipstick. Like, that was probably a bad idea to do it right away. But this is so nice. So I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be right back. So literally not a lot of makeup was left, and even my waterproof mascara came off. Okay, so this is a lot of makeup on here, but that was my fault because I didn't go with the melt away makeup balm. I didn't go all the way like down. Like, I didn't really do a good job with my neckline kind of chin line area. That was like my bad personally, but this stuff is amazing. I felt like I got a lot. I felt like I shouldn't have used that much because there was a lot left over, but like my skin feels kind of the same. It doesn't feel like soft or like moisturized or hydrated. But this literally took them off like 90% off the makeup. Like even my mascara, like, and oh my gosh, you know what other thing it took off? It took off the lash glue like residue. It took off the lash glue residue, and that's like super impressive. I'm just like, oh my gosh. For $22 for a 1.7 fluid ounce, that is totally worth it. Once this is all gone, oops, I can't close it. Oh, that's why. Duh. But once this is literally all gone, I'm totally gonna buy another one because it took off that lipstick right away, and it was the Bite one in beetroot. Took it all off. There's probably a little residue, but I didn't really want it. I didn't really want to taste it. But anyways, there's still a little left over here, just little places, but that's no big deal. Took off that lipstick like right away. I don't even have, my lips aren't even stained. Like how I feel like other makeup removers kind of like that when I when I do a red lip, I feel it kind of stains my lips a little bit. But this, I don't feel like there's any lip stain whatsoever left. All that makeup's gone. Took off the lash glue residue. It took off the waterproof mascara, and my skin feels great. Like I'm not like reacting to it or anything, and I'm super impressed. Love this stuff. Can't wait to do my face again just so I could use this again because it's so good. Highly, 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 highly recommend this product. It's the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Balm. Amazing. If you guys like this video, please let me know by hitting there we go, can't say it again, by hitting that like button. If you want me to review something, leave it down in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel and we can be friends, and you can tell your friends about me and we can all be friends. Till my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.